Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to get the best Superdry discount promo codes. So Superdry releases promo codes and discount offers on weekdays and holidays, so don't miss out. So in order to get notifications, go to superdry.com, scroll down until you find exclusive access. So here is it, unlock exclusive access, and then on the right side, you will see a field to enter your email address. So go ahead and enter your email address and then choose if you are following menswear or women's wear, and then click sign up. After signing up, you are now receiving official notifications from Superdry on these discount codes. And the next is to go to glamourmagazine.co.uk/discount codes/Superdry. They post promo codes for free. There are currently 6 now, and then just click the show discount button and then just click this continue to deal. It will take you to the official Superdry website, and then here you can shop, and then the discount code is automatically applied. So that's basically it.